Thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more yoga and meditation videos. This 10-minute practice is good for all levels, but please take modifications as needed. Listen to your body.
Hi guys, my name is Shannon. We're going to go through a quick sun salutation flow just to get the blood flowing in the morning. So let's start in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Begin to focus on your breathing. If you'd like, you can set an intention for your practice, something to bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, and maybe something you'd like to bring forward into the rest of your day. On your next inhale, open your eyes, reach overhead, and exhale to the left side, looking underneath the right elbow. Breathe into the stretch. Inhale back to center, and exhale over to the right side, looking underneath the left elbow. And breathe. Come back up to center. Take the arms down to the side. Use your right hand. Put it on the left side of your head. Use it for gentle traction, and just tilt your head over to the right side. Don't pull on your neck. You're just using it to add a little weight for traction. And release the head. Come back to center. Now, using your left hand, put it on the right side of your head, and do the same thing. Again, don't pull. And release the head. We're going to go over into cat and cow pose. So come to tabletop. Inhale, round the spine up. Exhale, down. Get some movements in the hips and shoulders. Inhale up. Exhale down. Just keep going to your own breath. One more round. And come to center for neutral spine. We're going to press back up into our first down dog of the day. So tuck your feet, press back, you can pedal your feet. Make sure that you hinge at the hips when you go into down dog. Don't do this. You want to press back. And you can always bend your knees slightly if you need to. Now look in between your hands. Step or hop forward to the front of the mat. Halfway lift. And exhale back down, forward fold. Grab the elbows and just hang. Again, you can bend the knees slightly here if you need to. Now release the elbows. Rise all the way up to tall mountain. Hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center in prayer. Now we're going to do 3 half sun salutation A's. Well, half sun salutations. So inhale up. Exhale down, hit the floor with your hands. Boom. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And then inhale up. Hands to heart center in prayer. Now we're going to go through 3 full sun salutation A's. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale down. Halfway lift. Exhale down. Step back. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Pause for a breath. Look in between your hands. Step or hop forward. Rise all the way up. Hands to heart center in prayer. Do it again. Inhale up. Exhale down. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Exhale down. Step back. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Pause for a breath. Look in between your hands. Step or hop forward. Rise all the way up. Hands to heart center in prayer. One more time, just go with your own breathing. When you make it to down dog, pause here for a few breaths. Pick the right foot up, three-legged dog, and curl it in towards your left elbow. Back up, three-legged dog. Bring it to the right elbow. Back up, three-legged dog. Bring it to center. Kick back in three-legged dog and bring the foot back down to meet the left foot. Repeat with the left leg. So, put it up in three-legged dog. Bring it over to the left elbow. Back up. Cross it to the right elbow. Three-legged dog. Come to center. Kick back up and bring it to meet the right foot. Bring the knees back down to the mat and come into child's pose. Pause here for about 2 breaths. And come back up into your tabletop position. And scoot the legs forward to come into staff pose. Reach up overhead and exhale down over towards your feet. Breathe into the stretch. Come down a little more with each exhale. Rise back up to center. Bring the arms to the sides in a T. And we're going to twist from side to side. So go with your inhales and exhales. Inhale, exhale. To the left. Center. Right. Center. Just keep going with your breathing. Take one more round. Come back to center. Bend your knees. With control, vertebrae by vertebrae, come down to your mat. Now we're going to
Press up into bridge pose.
Roll the shoulders underneath you. Press your hips up. And bring the hips back down. Lift your feet up for happy baby.
Grab the sides of the feet and roll from side to side.
Hug the knees in. Give yourself a big hug because you did an awesome job.
And release into Shavasana. Just let it all go. Your next inhale, begin to move your fingers and toes.
Rotate the ankles and wrists. Stretch out long. And roll to one side.
Coming into fetal position. Pause here for a moment. Using your hand, push yourself back up
to a seated position. Float your eyes shut one more time. Hands at your knees. Scan your body. See how it feels differently when you began your practice. And bring your hands to heart center. Open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.